Some problems and solutions on parallel lines. Exercise 6.2 for class 9 from NCERT book. Question number 1. Find the values of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. Solution. Here x, angle x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, or x is equal to 130 degree. Transversal line and line CD intersect at a point. Therefore angle y and angle 130 degree are vertically opposite angles. So y is equal to 130 degree and x is equal to 130 degree. Answer. X is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. But x and y are alternate interior angles. Therefore AB parallel CD proved. Question number 2. If AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF and y is to z is equal to 3:7, find x. According to the question, AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF, let transversal line intersect line AB, line CD and line EF at point P, Q and R respectively. Angle Y is equal to angle DQR, vertically opposite angles. Since CD parallel EF, therefore angle DQR plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Or y plus z is equal to 180 degree, or 3k plus 7k is equal to 180 degree, or 10k is equal to 180 degree, or k is equal to 18 degree, or y is equal to 3k is equal to 54 degree, z is equal to 7k is equal to 126 degree. Since AB parallel to CD, therefore x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Or x plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree, or x is equal to 126 degree. Answer. Question number 3. If AB parallel CD, EF perpendicular CD and angle GED is equal to 126 degree, find angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. AB parallel CD given, angle AGE is equal to angle GED, alternate interior angles, but GED is equal to 126 degree given. So angle AGE is equal to 126 degree. Answer. Angle GEF plus 90 degree is equal to angle GED. Angle GEF is equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree, because angle GED is equal to 126 degree given. Or GEF, angle GEF is equal to 36 degree. Answer. Angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree, linear angles, or 126 degree plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree, or angle FGE is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree, or angle FGE is equal to 54 degree. Answer. Question number 4. If PQ parallel ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree, find angle QRS. Solution. Draw RM, line RM, such that RM parallel to ST. So angle RST plus angle SRM is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Angle SRM is equal to 180 minus 130, or angle SRM is equal to 50 degree. Line PQ parallel to line ST and ST parallel to RM. Therefore, line PQ parallel to RM. Angle PQR is equal to QRM, alternate interior angles. 110 is equal to angle QRS plus angle SRM. Angle QRS is equal to 110 minus 50 degree, so 60 degree answer. Question number 5. If AB parallel to CD and angle APQ is equal to 50 degree and angle PRD is equal to 127 degree, find X and Y. Solution. AB parallel to CD and PQ is transversal, so angle APQ is equal to X, alternate interior angle, and or X is equal to 50 degree answer, because angle APQ is equal to 50 degree given, so angle X is equal to 50 degree answer. AB parallel to CD and PR is transversal, then angle APR is equal to angle PRD is equal to 127 degree, that is alternate interior angles, or angle APQ plus Y is equal to 127 degree, or Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree, or Y is equal to 77 degree answer. Question number 6. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel to CD. Solution. Draw BE perpendicular RS and CF perpendicular PQ. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equation number 1, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equation number 2. Here BE perpendicular to RS and CF perpendicular to PQ. So BE parallel to CF. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3 are alternate angles. Multiplying 2 both sides, we get 2 into angle 2 is equal to 2 into angle 3, or 2 into angle 2 means angle 2 plus angle 2, or we can write angle 1 plus angle 2, because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3, 2 into angle 3 means angle 3 plus angle 3, or we can write angle 3 plus angle 4, because angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 from equation 1 and 2. Now angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle ABC, and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle BCD, which are alternate angles. Therefore, AB parallel to CD proved. Thank you.